This meditation is to set a goal and manifest it through visualization. We are going to begin by embarking on a journey within, getting in touch with our body. Get comfortable, sitting down with a straight back. Starting off with your feet, tense the muscles in your feet and focus only here. Tightly squeeze the muscles in your feet. Now let go completely. Do not tense any longer. Feel the relaxation of this letting go. And go up to your calves now and tense both of your calves, tensing all the muscles here. Now let it go. Now go up to your thighs and tense your quads firmly, feeling all the tension in your thighs. Good, you can let it go. Let's bring our focus to our belly. Activate your abdominal muscles, making your entire stomach firm, and feel all the sensation. And let it go, basking in relaxation. Great. Now let's tense our hands. Make a fist with your hands and grip as hard as you can. Hold the tension and let it go. Now tense your face. Make a face and tense all the muscles in this area, holding the tension, and let it go, feeling any wrinkles melt away. Now you are in a deep alpha brainwave state, completely relaxed. Mind is open. I would like for you to now set a beautiful goal for yourself. A long-term goal that is accomplished in the next 2 to 3 years. See yourself achieving this goal. Look around and see all the little details. The people, objects, nature, or whatever you see, picture it as vividly as you can. See yourself radiating happiness and glowing with health. See your friends and loved ones congratulating you on your accomplishments. Notice how it feels to achieve what you desire. Let this feeling grow and fill you up completely. See yourself achieving your goal. Now slowly and gently start coming back to your surroundings. When you are ready, you can open your eyes. Give thanks to yourself and good job today. Thank you for listening to your beauty ritual, Beautitation.